Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm really excited to review this because I've been waiting for the last color to come in before I can film this, and I was really worried that I couldn't because I'm about to give birth like any day now. Could be today, could be tomorrow, I don't know when, but very soon. So I thought I'm really glad this parcel arrived so I can squeeze in a quick filming. Hopefully I can edit it and upload it for you guys ASAP. Anywho, this is a Olens collaboration with Jessie from YouTube. If you guys don't know her, she's such a gorgeous girl. She gives the most creative and natural, beautiful, like very like, I don't know, it's every time I see her look, she looks very elegant and charming as well. But what I really admire about her is like her eye shape. Her eye shape is so gorgeous. Anything she does with her eye makeup just looks so mesmerizing. I can never pull off her look. I don't know why. But anywho, she did a collab with Olens and released two colors called the Fairy Charm collection. One in Hazel and one in Olive. First thing first, the graphic diameter of this is 13.3mm, which is like right up my alley because it's something that I always go for. I always go for contact lens between 13.1 to 13.3mm to give me that a little bit of that enlargement detail on my eyes, and I love like it's just a perfect enlargement on my eyes. So when it says that it was 13.3, I'm like, great, this is perfect. This comes in two colors, and the way she has promoted it is that she has created this dual pattern on the eye. So you get two colors. Either you get the olive with the hazel combo, or you get the hazel combo with a bit of that yellow tone, which I'll go into detail soon. But the way she did it is that she did a lot of trial and error, and her goal for this contact lens pattern is that you can achieve any look using this one contact lens. Whether you want like a light natural look or like a night heavy smoky eye makeup, you can pull off using this contact lens without switching them up. Without further ado, let's get started with the first color. First one is this hazel color, and the way I see it is like a combo of peachy slash apricot pink color, which is leaning much more toward like a light pink color when you first see it on the packaging. Then in between, the other color is like this hazel color, which is leaning much more toward like a yellow tone for me. When I put this on, straight away I can see that the limbo ring on the outer part, because it's so thin, it's like a light brown color, has disappeared on my eyes, maybe because it just blended in with my natural eye color. And when I put it on my eye, it doesn't look like the way Jessie wears it. For me, it's much more of a lighter tone, and when I look at it, straight away it reminds me of like the French three-con hazel color, which I can't really see much of the pink undertone, which I wish I can see more of that because I do love pink color on the eyes and I find it very unique. However, when you look closer, you can see that very subtle stripiness of the contact lens going in, but not that obvious. But also you see a bit of that pink and yellow tone as well. It also reminds me a little bit of the Russian smoky line as well. So I'll put all these comparisons for you guys to check out, but I can definitely see that you can see that dual pattern going on in the eyes. Next is an olive color, which is what I'm currently wearing. If you guys are a long time follower of mine, you guys would know I love my olive shade. So when Jessie has released an olive one with Olens, I am so stoked for it because I do love my olive, and I definitely find this olive much more unique than the hazel, just because I feel like this olive is more obvious than the pink one in the hazel. But also you see that yellow tone hazel coming out from that hazel color as well. So when you put both of them together, I feel like this looks much more nicer on me, just because I think in my mind I wanted like a dark color like the way Jessie wears it. Jessie has like a natural light brown eyes, and when she put both of this contact lens on, it looks like really dark but beautiful on her, and I wanted the same identical color on my eyes. But obviously, like I said, depending on what you wear and depending on your natural eye color, it does affect or impact the appearance of the contact lens. So I find that with this hazel, it is much more closer to how it looks on Jessie's eyes, not so much darker, but I can see that this one really showed the hazel color. It really shows the dual pattern of the contact lens as well. Like I said, with the olive and the hazel, I love the combo of this. And what I like about this is that if you would compare this type of pattern compared to the trendy crescent moon at the moment, where some of you guys don't like that the crescent moon tend to move around and looks uneven on your eyes. But because this one is like hazel, this one is like olive, hazel, no matter how you rotate, it just looks so nice. It doesn't look uneven on your eyes. You just know because of this dual pattern, it looks gorgeous, which I find very, very unique. And the best part about this pattern is that it blends in so nicely as well. I hope that makes sense. I find that pattern explaining was a bit lengthy. And what I did with this contact lens as well, one thing that Jessie talked about is like, you know, how it matched with any like eye makeup. I decided to go for like a pink makeup just because in her video she did like a pink, purple, green makeup as well. So I thought I'll do like a peachy pink for this makeup look, and I can definitely say it does match really well with the olive and obviously match really well with the hazel as well, which is gorgeous. Going back to the contact lens, with this one I can see a little bit of the light brown limbo ring on the outside. It's more obvious than the hazel, but this one is a little bit like, it just helps to just build that enlargement border on the outside, which I think is gorgeous. So to end this video, I'm sure you guys would know which one is my favorite of the two. I obviously like the olive one more than the hazel, but let me know what you guys think about this collaboration. I would love to know whether it's limited edition or it's a permanent one. I'm not sure, because just like the Michelle Phan's collection, they still have it. So I'm sure with this Jessie collection, they'll have it for a while as well. It does come at monthly, which I forgot to mention. It's not in daily at the moment. So 1 month comes in a pair and it obviously lasts for a month. If you guys have any questions in regards of this collection, chuck it down in the comment box down below and I will reply to you guys there. But if not, I will see you guys on my next video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.